Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will explore Palantir in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of April 2025, our system has ranked Palantir as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.2. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 31.6% since we initially identified Palantir as a buy candidate just 23 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.37% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently rests in the upper section of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction towards the lower segment of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $131.20 would first indicate a stronger rate of ascent. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 33.75% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 7.56% and 35.51%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 345.80%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 195.52% to 350.81% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $382.67 and $583.76. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for Palantir. The Palantir stock price gained 1.07% on the last trading day, Friday, the 16th of May 2025, rising from $128.12 to $129.49. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.82%, with a day low of $126.76 and a day high of $130.33. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.19% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume fell on the last day by 14 million shares, with a total of 55 million shares bought and sold for approximately $7.11 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can signal divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $133.49, while the lowest price was $20.63. Currently, the price is 3% or $4 below the 52-week high of $133.49, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies, identified by the symbol PLTR, has recently captured attention as it reached all-time highs, showcasing the company's strong market performance. However, this surge occurs within a complex landscape influenced by the earnings season and investor sentiment. While the stock faced a brief decline following its first quarter earnings report, signs of recovery have emerged. This volatility indicates that short-term investors may encounter challenges as the market processes Palantir's performance. In the long term, the focus on artificial intelligence technology positions Palantir favorably as the company harnesses this paradigm shift to enhance productivity and stimulate growth. The compelling narrative surrounding artificial intelligence could attract additional investment, even in light of the stock's elevated price-to-earnings ratio, which currently exceeds 200 times. This valuation reflects the market's eagerness to embrace the company's growth potential while also raising concerns about sustainability if key performance metrics are not achieved. Palantir's resilience, along with its distinctive government contracts and high profit margins, reinforces its strategic advantages. However, investors should remain vigilant regarding market dynamics and competitive pressures that may influence stock performance in the future. As the technology sector continues to play a crucial role in the broader market, it is essential to closely monitor Palantir's developments for both short and long-term impacts on its stock value. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned PLTR an underperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned PLTR a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned PLTR a sell grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Palantir stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. Today, the stock is showing mixed signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, and so far, it has declined by approximately 0.492%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook. There is also a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $124.39 and $103.19. A breakdown below either of these levels will generate sell signals. Notably, volume declined during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it's advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 39 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 24 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a buy signal from 28 days ago. The long-term moving average similarly indicates a buy signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 228 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir finds support from accumulated volume at $128.10. This level may represent a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a high level of risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.57 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 2.82%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.12%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high price-to-earnings ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings reports for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 14 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at $130.13. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at $128.10. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of May, 2025, Wershing Eric H. executed an insider sale of 1,603 shares of Class A common stock. On the 8th of May, 2025, Planishek Heather A. conducted an insider purchase of 10,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of May, 2025, Moore Alexander D. executed an insider sale of 6,600 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of May, 2025, Moore Alexander D. also conducted an insider sale of 9,700 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of May, 2025, Moore Alexander D. further executed an insider sale of 3,700 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 36.426. Overall, insiders acquired 4,901,590 shares and sold 10,623,869 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $125.07, which reflects a decrease of 3.42%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Palantir stock to perform well in the near future. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 19th of May, we anticipate Palantir to open lower by 630 cents, starting at $128.86. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.